that even after our working hours, we are expected to work. Even if we are working for 9 hours, 10 hours, or even 11 hours, even after that, our CEO, our company expects us to be available on phone, and whenever they call, we have to do the work right then. Because they say that you have the laptop, you have to work right now.
Right.
And there is no overtime compensation in our sector. We are not paid for working overtime. And other than this, even after working so many long hours without any extra pay, the government is trying to increase the working hours in the sector as if we don't have a right to live. We don't have a right to personal time. And then you see the statements of these people like L&D CEO and all saying that why would you spend time looking at your wife? So he's saying that he can dictate our personal life. That looking at your wife, looking at your kids, that's not your right. That's the right of rich people. You come and work. And we are responsible for the underdevelopment of country apparently. Like these people who are rich, who are taking the profits from our work, they are not responsible for it. If you see all these companies like Infosys, TCS, Accenture, all these big companies, their salaries have been stagnant for decades now.
Yes.
And entry level salary which used to be something like 3 lakh back in 2001 or something, the same right now. And still Narendra Modi comes and says that we are not working hard enough, and that's why the country is not progressing. So I ask, like, who will benefit from this development? Right. If this development is more profits in their pockets, then what are we getting? We are getting people like Anna Perry who are dying from working excessive hours. Some people are confused that she committed suicide. It was not a suicide. She died because of some heart failure because she worked so much.
Extra hours.
And there are statistics that in IT sector, more than 55% people are suffering from physical health impacts, and more than 45% people are suffering mental health issues, anxiety, depression, insomnia.
Exactly.
These are the figures right now. And imagine when the working hours are increased to 14 hours per day, what will be the impact then? And that would be official 14 hours per day. The company will obviously make us work even more than that. So this is obviously high time for all of us workers to come together and raise our voices. So for that, as a part of this healthy work-life balance campaign, we KIT, we are a union of IT employees. We have organized a mass gathering on March 9th in Freedom Park, and we are doing this campaign to make people